The reverse vacuum process is used when the discharge line is plugged. After a discharge cycle, check your tank gauge. If the pressure is high and stayed high throughout the cycle, then your line is plugged. The reverse vacuum function will turn the discharge line into a vacuum line for a few seconds and should clear the obstruction. To do this, we first make sure that our panel is set to local and manual. The reverse vacuum function will not work in automatic mode. Engage your vacuum switch to purge the tank. Then, engage your reverse vacuum switch and hold for 5 seconds while the vac switch is still active. Now, switch to discharge mode and check your gauge to ensure the line is now clear. Repeat the process if necessary.